Landing at Alicante Airport and wondering how to get into the city? Don't worry, it's really simple, and one of the easiest options is by bus. Today I'm going to show you how to catch the bus from Alicante Airport to the city centre. As soon as you've collected your luggage, just follow the signs for public transport.
When you arrive at the airport, you're actually on the same level as the taxi rank, so it might be really tempting just to jump straight into a taxi. However, if you go up a floor to the departures level and then leave the exit here, that's where you'll find the bus stops.
Exit here. This is the correct exit, at the top of the escalators. When you leave on the correct floor, you'll easily find the bus stop. Look for the C6 bus. This is the airport's bus that connects Alicante Airport with the city centre. Buses run every 15 minutes during the day, and the journey takes around 20 to 30 minutes depending on traffic. It's a 24-hour service, although the buses aren't as often during the night. The C6 bus makes several stops along the way, including Alicante train station, the city centre and the marina. So it's really handy if you're staying in town or need to connect to other transport. These are all of the stops, and I'll also add a link to them in the episode description. I'll show you some of the bus journey now and explain how to buy tickets. If you find this video helpful, then a really quick way of thanking me is to hit the subscribe button. Tickets cost around $4.50 one way, and you can buy them directly from the driver with cash or card. Easy and affordable. So if you're landing at Alicante Airport, the C6 bus is a quick, simple and budget-friendly way to reach the city. Before you arrive, make sure you watch my travel guide, exploring the very best things to do and see in Alicante. Until next time, happy exploring!